Welcome. I switched to artificial grass because real grass is too much work. Now I just need to keep it clean. I found an easy solution. This second-hand vax I picked up for almost nothing. It's cordless. The old battery only lasts about 15 minutes. But that's all I need. Let me show you how it works. The rotating brush lifts the grass and picks up all the small debris, giving it a fresh, tidy look. It's really simple to use. Just turn it on, set the power to high, and hit the button to start the rotating brush. Then you just run it over the debris and it lifts everything up while brushing the grass so it looks fresh again. I've already done one pass, which is why it looks a bit cleaner. Now let me show you how easily it picks up rubbish on artificial grass. The brush does most of the job, and the suction pulls everything straight into the compartment. Just make sure the pipe and brush stay clean and aren't blocked. This can be used on hard surfaces too, but the suction was too strong. I should have lowered the power setting. Now let me show you how easy it is to empty the rubbish. The debris you see here is from the quick demonstration I just did. As I mentioned earlier, I already did the main clean, which is why the container is not full. This simple method has worked well for us for a long time, and now the kids can play and roll around on the grass without any worries. Make sure you keep the brush head clean, otherwise it'll get blocked. You can really see the difference it makes to the artificial grass. You can do the same at home. Thank you for watching.